Since this is one of the newer, the modern architecture from SAP, and then this product has a long way, so to speak, helping different clients to really leverage its value, its strengths, and then real time or replication, giving the heterogeneous connectivity. And really, there was a gap which is just filling, but I'm more curious about when different customers are looking at DataSphere. Are they looking at you to help creating some, the value proposition, building the use case, or they themselves are coming up and then saying that, hey, we have this use case, and then can you help us with, can you name top use cases which you are seeing, and then how the adoption is happening for DataSphere across?
Yeah, sure. And again, the interesting thing about seeing so many customers is there's quite a variety across the spectrum that you mentioned of customers who have very strong opinions about the way things should be. They have a good governance model put in place and they follow that fairly rigorously. And then others who are looking for a lot of advice. Maybe they are in a position where things didn't go so well in previous iterations, especially with other vendors. And so they're looking for some advice from SAP's best practices. We've got that in multiple forms. One nice visual set of best practices that's very robust in SAP Analytics Cloud in particular is the pre-delivered content as at least a baseline, a beginning for conversation, prototyping and building new content. DataSphere is following closely along the same lines with that delivery approach, and we're quickly building out an idea of data product delivery through DataSphere. So that's very much in progress within SAP. So you've got the ability to address both ends of that spectrum, and then in between are the folks that already have great ideas and are just looking for what are other customers doing. And so we've got a good mix there between the solution itself and our SAP user group, where people really have a fantastic exchange of ideas. And then, of course, folks like yourself at McKinsol that have a lot of experience to bring into the conversation as well. We rely heavily on our partner network for similar reasons.
Great. No, appreciate the comments.